Freshstone Brands is a food manufacturing company. We manufacture out of 6 different facilities across Canada. We make a variety of products, anywhere from sauce all the way to entrees as well as salads. As a food company, we have very unique insurance needs, and not only does Lloyd Sadd have the knowledge of our industry, but they have the experience. They react almost immediately to any of our questions or needs and have been able to provide the best possible experience for us. I'd say the most valuable part of our connection with Lloyd Sadd is the relationship that we've built. They're our first or second call whenever we're doing any large business acquisition, lease, anything that we're doing really, and we have been growing substantially over the past few years, and so Lloyd Sadd has always been with us side by side through all of it. When Lloyd Sadd has done tours through our facilities, they've had a lot of really great comments on process and flow and things like that that have helped our operating team. As well, more recently, they're helping with payroll benefit review and making sure that we're getting the best benefits for our employees, for our size, and the type of benefits that we want. I would absolutely recommend Lloyd Sadd to other businesses in my industry, specifically in food, based on our experience working with them, but also in any industry. And in fact, I have recommended Lloyd Sadd to people that have asked me who we use for insurance in the past.